Here's question number 11. Number 11 is a concept called the frustum, which I don't think we've worked with a lot this year, but hopefully you worked with in geometry last year. The frustum is actually the lower part of a cone. So you're basically slicing off the top part of the cone, and I drew that in there. What you should be able to see here is you've got similar triangles being created. This triangle here is similar to this big triangle here. So I drew those two triangles separately. I've got the top triangle and I've got the full lower triangle, okay? Notice for this big triangle here, this whole side is going to be x plus 5, and we've got a base of 8. So you can see that on those two triangles. So anyway, if you set up a proportion and solve there, I think x is going to end up equaling 5. And actually, you may be able to see there's a 1 to 2 ratio between these two parts here. So there should be a 1 to 2 ratio between that upper part and the whole as well. So we're going to get something that looks like that for the missing parts. So here's the cool thing. All you really got to do to find the area of this outer part of the frustum here, you've got an upper cone, you can find the lateral surface area of that upper cone, and you can find the lateral surface area of the whole cone, and you can just subtract the two, and that's going to leave you with this part right here. So we can say the basically the big lateral area minus the small lateral area. That's really what we're trying to do. I always write my equations in words first, and then I kind of work from there. That's what we're going to be doing. So you remember from geometry, the lateral area of a cone is pi RL, pi times the radius times the slant height. Okay. So for the big cone, we've got pi, and we've got a radius of 8, and we've got a slant height. If you look back there, the slant height is going to be 10. Okay, so 80 pi. And we're subtracting pi RL for the little cone. Little cone has a radius of 4 and a slant height of 5. Okay, so we've got 80 pi minus 20 pi is equal to 60 pi. Okay, so 60 pi is the area of the outer surface of this cone. Now, didn't ask for just the lateral area of the frustum. It asked for the total surface area. So you've got that 60 pi. You've got to add the circle on the top, and you've got to add the circle on the bottom. So we've got the lateral area plus the small circle plus the large circle. Lateral area we found to be 60 pi. Small circle area is going to be 16 pi. And the large circle area is going to be 64 pi. Anyway, I'll let you add those up, but that's what's going on there. Pretty cool problem, frustum.